If you're experiencing login issues with Astrill VPN, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is necessary for the Astrill VPN app to function properly. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double-check your username and password. Make sure there are no typos and that you are using the correct login information associated with your Astrill account. Step 3. Update the application. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Astrill VPN app. Check for updates in your device's app store and install any available updates. Step 4. Restart the application. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Astrill to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the problem persists, reach out to Astrill's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help troubleshoot any ongoing issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues with Astrill VPN. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.